Wagwan, my Flavor Pot family. Welcome back to the channel at Dre's Authentic Flavor Pot, where every meal tells a story. And for all my subscribers, thank you very much for your support. It is always appreciated. And all who is not on board yet, please subscribe and join the Flavor Pot family. And please, guys, please remember to like, comment, and share out the video. Subscribe, please. Thank you. So today I'll be doing one of our most popular dishes, which is authentic Jamaican curry chicken. And I'll be serving that with some boiled dumpling and some ground provisions. So stick around and make me show you what I go on. So first, we're going to start off by cleaning up our chicken. You want to clean that up properly, then you're going to chop that up in the size that the preferred size that you want. Next, you're going to wash it properly with vinegar. And after then, we're going to start adding our seasoning, which I use some Maggi chicken seasoning. I use some Adobe all-purpose season, some garlic season, onion season. I add some turmeric, some black pepper, complete season, and I added some blended season also. Then next I added some chopped natural season, which is onions, scallion, garlic, and ginger. And I also added some pimento beans. And the main ingredient is the curry powder, and I use Better Pack curry. We can't have curry if we not have the curry powder. So you're gonna rub in that properly. We're rubbing all our seasoning properly into the chicken. And next, we're gonna set it aside and let it marinate for like about 2-3 hours until you're ready to cook. So next I'll move along to washing and prepping some seasoning and veggies that I'll be using to make the gravy for the curry chicken. My next step after that is to wash and peel my ground provisions. So I have here some green bananas, I have some sweet potatoes, and I have some red potatoes. So I peeled the green banana and the sweet potato. I didn't peel the red potatoes, I just wash it off properly, and I'm gonna boil it like that in the skin. So after I completed all of these ground provisions, wash them properly. I'm gonna catch some fresh water and leave them. I leave them in the water and until it's time for me to boil them. So after marinating my curry chicken for about 2-3 hours, then I come back, start my cooking process. So you pour some oil in the pot and you put that to heat. When that is heated, then I added some pimento seed and a piece of ginger, and I put 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and you burn your curry. You burn your curry, and when it started to look a little brownish, not black, then you're gonna go ahead and pour in all your seasoned chicken in the pot and give it a couple stir that around, and then you can cover your pot and let it start its frying process. So while that's frying down, I went over the other side and I start preparing my flour. So I grab a bowl, I put like 1 cup of flour, about 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, and some water, and you're gonna gradually add water while you knead. So you're gonna knead your flour until you form a dough. So yeah, you're gonna continue the process until you form a dough. And while that's done, I'm gonna set that aside to rest while I'm gonna check back on my curry chicken, and then I'll be start adding my ground provision. So next I set on a pot of water on the stove. That's what I'm going to use to boil my food, my dumpling and ground provision. So yeah, and I put a little bit of oil in the water. So while that water is on the stove getting ready to boil, I start to form my dumplings and set that aside until the water is boiled. So you have to keep checking on your curry chicken, and as you can see here, it's spraying its own water. So the water started to boil, so I'm gonna go in and add about a teaspoon and a half of salt and give it some more time to bubble. Then next I'm gonna start adding my dumplings. So here we go. Yep, look at that. And next I'll be adding the red potatoes. I left the sweet potato and the banana for last because those are much easier to cook. So we're going back to check on our curry chicken, and you see all that juice is almost dried out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add some boiling water to this. Then next I'm gonna add my natural seasoning to it, and we're gonna stir this all in together, and we're gonna cover the pot and let it simmer for a little bit. Then next we're gonna go add the green bananas and the sweet potato to the pot. So yeah, look at it. Yeah, so everything is in this pot now. So you're gonna stir everything around, and then you're gonna leave it and give it time to cook. You continue checking on your pot until you test everything and they cook. Now we're gonna move on back to our curry chicken, and we're gonna add in our Irish potatoes and carrots, and we're gonna let that bubble down. We're gonna let that cook down, and then after a couple more minutes I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna add a whole pepper, and then I'm gonna add my bell peppers also.